midnight.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chesapeake Ranch Estates, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Dorchester County, including the following locations: Honga, Church Creek, Wilford, and Andrews. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X@S Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Dorchester, Maryland,